Welcome to ERPCA. Now we will see how to reset user's password. On Users page, click on Action drop-down button for that respective user. Click on Reset Password option. Pop-up window gives us two options to change password. One is automatically generate new password, and second is create password. Click on Create Password option. Type password, and click on Reset button. Password reset successfully. To send password on mail, click on Email Password button. Type our email address correctly and click on Send button. And we will received password change mail successfully. Thank you. With ERPCA, practice with ease.